Boom, you're in. If you're here, that means you are in the drawing. So on February 28th, somebody's going to be the lucky winner of a Grilla or a silverback grill. Now, you're also going to get some of our Grill Beast barbecue accessories and gear. So good luck to you. Now, in the meantime, we have a great Facebook group that we have people who are very experienced at barbecuing, people that aren't experienced. They mesh together with questions and answers, teaching and learning. It's a great group. Come by, check it out. No assholes allowed. Now, we also have a good Twitter page, Instagram page, and a YouTube page. We have links over here. Go check them all out. If you're into one of those social groups, join us. Check out the conversations. Join in. Don't forget, visit us at grillbeast.com also and see what kind of specials we got going on. Anyway, good luck to you, and thanks a lot for being a part of this, and see you later. Grill on. Oh, wait a minute. One more thing. On all these social networks that we are a part of and we want you to be a part of with us, between now and the big drawing, we're going to have a whole bunch of little contests every week. So make sure you're in, make sure you pay attention, and good luck to winning everything.